Hi there, this is 5Core 11.7, the Frozen Stratos here, with my third entry for Joshua Gundamu's Summer 2012 Custom Gundam Contest. And here's my next Gundam. This is the Gundam Repair. I used 00 parts, Sheridan parts, Cerevi parts, even some, Beginning 30 Gundam parts. For this one, instead of paint, I used Gundam marker, because I'm low-tech. For armaments, he has a GN drive back here. Yeah. Colored the feet. For armaments, he has this cannon here, this center cannon. He also has this long arm barrel that can come out and swing forward for kind of a battle mode. His other armaments is the first one is this gun right here. There are two modes, the repair mode and the battle mode. For the repair mode, let me stick that on. This would be used as a precision laser, and for battle in combat, this would flip up and he can use it as a bazooka, kind of. It's underslung like the H3 and the Double Zeta. He also has, instead of a beam saber, he has a beam welder. That's why it's yellow. Yeah, beam welder. So yeah, I really like that one. Yeah, this is my most recent custom. This one is also a model kit, not a damashi or anything like that. So, yeah. That's pretty much it for this guy. On to the last one.